Hey everyone, it's Audrey with Social Media 4, that's the number 4, beginners.com, where I teach you, the complete newbie, how to use the different social media sites so that you can stay connected to your family and friends. Today is Tip Trick Tuesday, and what that means is every Tuesday, I bring you a tip or trick that you can use on the different social media sites that may make your life a little bit easier, or at least give you an aha moment on things that you didn't know you could do on these different sites. So today's video tutorial is all about those GIFs, G-I-F. The GIFs are those animated images that I'm sure you've seen all over Facebook, and people are asking you to share your GIF or do something, share a comment with a GIF, and maybe you don't know how. So that's what you're going to learn today, is how to share GIFs. You're going to learn it on the desktop, on your own post, how to use it in a comment, and then I'm also going to jump on my iPad and use the iOS and show you how to use it in the Facebook Messenger app so that you can share GIFs with, with some of your friends in there as well. If this video helps you in any way, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit this little subscribe button with the little bell, because you're notified every single time I put up one of these video tutorials. And if you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment section below and I will be sure to get to it. All right, let's just jump right in and let me show you how to use those GIFs. Here we are on Facebook, and the first way that you can share a GIF is by just posting your own status update. So I would just click in here, what's on your mind, Audrey? And if I wanted to share a post just about being excited, let's say that I'm going to visit the grandchildren and I'm super excited about it, then what you would do is just click on those three little dots that show you that you have a menu behind there. And then right here, just click on GIF. Now, the really great thing is that you can actually search for GIFs depending on whatever keyword that you want to use. So for me, I would just say excited, okay? Ooh, let me tap in there and I would just put excited. All right, so then I would just go through all of these GIFs and just show, like this one, if I wanted to do this, right there. I mean, you just go through, and whichever one really resonates with you, like this one, I love this little girl. I'm so excited. I just love that. That looks like I just won something. So if you just won something you want to share with somebody, can't wait. I mean, you just go through this. This is hilarious. And just choose whichever one that you want to use, okay? Let's just say that maybe I feel accomplished because I got this video up for you guys on Tip Trick Tuesday. And then I could just go through here. Here's a crushed it, mission accomplished. And you just go through whichever one that you want. So we're just gonna pick out one. What's this one? I don't know what. Let's just use this one. So I would click on that, and then this will be the GIF that I use, and then I can go ahead and write down or share with everybody why I'm so excited. Okay, so that's one way that you can share a GIF in your own post out to your friends and family. Now let's just say that you wanted to comment with a GIF. Then what you would do is right here, it just says GIF, post a GIF. So you would click on that. Once again, the search bar opens up, and then you can go through the suggested ones. Or if they're asking for something, let's say they're asking for number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, hey, take a vote for this. You could actually write in number 4 and do that, so that you could let them know, hey, I want number 4, or I like number 4. It's a cuter way to write, to say, hey, I like this number. Of course, you could just put number 4 in there as well. But as you can see, that's how you do it on your desktop. Now let's just jump into the iPhone app, and I'll show you how to do it on that. All right, so here I am on my iPad, and now your iPad and your iPhone are going to be very similar. So what you want to do is go to your Messenger app, and I have mine inside of the social media. So I would just tap on Messenger. Okay, so here we are on my dad's. I'm going to send my dad another GIF. As you can tell, I've already tried to do this video, but it didn't work out quite so well, so I'm redoing it again. And so I'm on my dad. I can tell that I'm talking to my dad just by up here, it shows me. And he was active 40 minutes ago. But in order to send another GIF, you would tap on these three little dots again. And you'll notice right here where it says GIF, tap on that. And now what you'll notice right here is all of the trending GIFs that everybody is using, okay? So what we want to do is, before you send one of these GIFs, okay, whether it's from the trending or you use this search bar, I want to let you know that these GIFs are automatically sent, okay? So when you did the desktop, you could put it in there and then you wrote a little post and then you sent it. But as soon as you tap on one of these GIFs, it is automatically sent. You can't get it back. Okay, so before you do it, just keep that in mind. So today is President's Day. So if you wanted to, you could just use this GIF and just tap on that and it'll send to that person, Happy President's Day. Let's say that 4th of July. Let's say that it's the 4th of July and you want to say Happy 4th. And now it's going to show all of the Happy 4th of July. And then you can use any one of these GIFs. So let's just say I wanted to send him this, Happy 4th of July. Then I would just tap on it and see how it automatically goes. So now he's going to get upset because in the last video he told me to stop. He was reading something, but gotta love my dad, aka Napoleon's idiot, right? So this little blue with the check mark, that lets you know that the person has not seen this GIF yet or the message that you had sent them. When they do get the message and see it, this turns to their profile picture, and that's how you can tell if they got it or not. Okay, so that's just a little FYI, little tidbit of information for you. So back to here, this is, like I said, your search. So you can put in anything in there. So if you're feeling, sad, you can put sad in there, type within there, and it'll show all of the GIFs for sad, and then you can use those to send. So it's basically the same exact thing as what you did on your desktop, is you could just put in a feeling, an emotion, a happy birthday, if you want to send somebody a happy birthday, if you're into the politics, if you're into anything that you can think of, you can search within this GIF and come across GIFs right here and just scroll through, and whichever one you want to send it. But once again, keep in mind, as soon as you send it, you can't resend it, okay? And here goes Dad. He saw it and he said, damn. And there's Dad. Okay, so we are going to stop sending Dad GIFs, and that is the end of this tutorial. There you have it. Now you're able to post a GIF, you're able to share a GIF, you're able to comment with a GIF, and you're able to send it in Messenger app. If you have any more ideas on videos that you'd like for me to do, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. And if you have any tips or tricks, share them with me and I'll share them with everybody on here. Until next video, y'all be blessed. Bye.